Namaste, Sitaram, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to everyone looking on wherever you are this evening and joining us from whatever part of our beautiful country of Trinidad and Tobago, as well as from the US, Canada and the UK. Thank you all for joining us. Thank you all for joining us also from the Republic of Guyana as we engage in Ram Kripa today again from the Kuladeva Lai Pitri Tirtha Shrine here in the village of Avocat. This evening we are going to have very special devotions and bhajans dedicated to Bhagwan Sri Ganesh and to Hanumanji in particular. And this evening we shall be chanting, in addition to Hanuman Chalisa, the Hanuman Ashtakam, together with appropriate bhajans. But first, let us engage in our invocation mantras to the different deities. But let us start with this particular mantra in which we shall light our lamp to Mother Lakshmi. Om Lakshmi Karotu Kalyanam Arogyam Sukha Sampadam Mama Shatru Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir Namostite. Om Lakshmi Karotu Kalyanam Arogyam Sukha Sampadam Mama Shatru Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir Namostite. Gajananam Bhutaganadi Sevitam Kapitta Jambhu Phalasara Bhakshanam Umasutam Shoka Vinashakaranam Namami Vinishware Parapankajam Shuklambaradharam Devam Shashivaranam Chaturbhujam Prasannavaranam Dhyaye Sareva Vigno Pashyante. Manojavam Marutatulya Vegam Jitindriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayukta Mukhyam Shiramadutam Shirasa Namami. Yatra Yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam Tatra Tatra Kritamastakāñjalim Vāshpavari Paripurna Lochanam Marutim Namata Rakshasantakam. कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणीन्द्ररुद्रमरुतस्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगान् ध्यानावस्थिततर्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यशान्तं न विदुसुरासुरगणः देवाय तस्मै नमः। ॐ सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मंत्रामूर्ति सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते। Soon we shall now have chanting to Bhagwan Sri Ganesh as we perform his, seek his blessings with his and tonight we shall sing these invocation verses to Bhagwan Ganesh, and before we sing the Arti. Nirvikalpam nirakarnikam niranandamananda madhvejapurnam ajam nirvikalpam nirakarnikam niranandamananda madhvejapurnam param nirgunam nirvishesham niriham परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरेहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा गुणातीतमानं चिदानन्दरूपं चिदाभासकं सर्वगम्यानगम्यं मुनिधेयमाकाशरूपं परेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम् जगति कारणं कारणायानरूपं सुरादिं सुखादिं गणेशं गुणेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं वन्ध्यं सुरेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्ध्यं सुरेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम् ॐ श्रीगणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्रीगणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्रीगणेशाय नमः। ॐ दुं दुर्गाये नमः। ॐ दुं दुर्गाये नमः। ॐ दुं दुर्गाये नमः। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डाये विचे। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डाये विचे। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डाये विचे। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। And now we shall perform Bhagwan Ganesh's Aarti. Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati, Pita Mahadeva. Very beautiful Aarti of Bhagwan Sri Ganesh. जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश जय गणेश। माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा।
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। लजवन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा। लजवन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा।
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी,
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 माथे पे सिंदूर सोहे मुसके सवारी,
माथे पे सिंदूर सोहे मुसके सवारी।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा,
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा,
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा,
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
धन को आँख देता कुर्हियन को काया,
अंधन को आँख देता निर्बल को काया,
धन को आँख देता कुर्बल को काया,
अंधन को आँख देता निर्बल को काया,
बांधन को पुत्र देता निर्धन को माया,
बांधन को पुत्र देता निर्धन को माया।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा,
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा,
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा,
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा,
हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा,
हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा,
हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा।
सूरदास शरण आयो सफल करो सेवा,
सूरदास शरण आयो सफल करो सेवा,
हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा,
हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा,
हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा,
हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा।
सूरदास शरण आयो सफल करो सेवा,
सूरदास शरण आयो सफल करो सेवा।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा,
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा,
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा,
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 पिता महादेवा,
पिता महादेवा।
जय गणेश देवा,
जय गणेश देवा,
जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा। And now we shall begin this evening with our Hanuman Chalisa, and after that we will then have Bajrang Ban. But right now we're going to have our Hanuman Chalisa. सिया राम, जय जय राम। श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधारी। भरनो रघुवर विमल जसु, जो ध्यायक फलचारी। बोलहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिर पवन कुमार। बल विद्या दीनु मोहि, हरहु कलेश विकार। राम सिया राम, जय जय राम। राम सिया राम,
सिया राम, जय जय राम।
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागरे, जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागरे। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवाज सुमति के संगी। कंचन वरण विराज सुवेशा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिवे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए संजीवन लखन जिलाए, श्री रघुवीर हरषि लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सब भाई। सहस वदन तुम्हरो यश गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद शारद सहित अहीसा। यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाँ ते, कवि कोविद कह सकय कहाँ ते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राज पद दीन्हा। तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मिली मुख माही, जल दिलांग गय अचर नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे देते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी चरना, तुम राजक काहू को डरना। आपन चीज तुम्हारो आप, तीनों लोक हाक कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महान रघुवीर जब नाम सुनावे, नाश योग करे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान झुलावे। सब पर रामपद पश्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जाने की माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा,
सदा रहो रघुपति
के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चेतन धरहि, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरै
हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा
करहु गुरुदेव नाई। जो शत बार पात कर कोई,
छूटे बंदी महासुख होई।
जो यहाँ पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सीधे साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि तेरा, जय नाथ जय महावीरा। की जयनाथ हृदय महावीरा, की जयनाथ हृदय महावीरा। पावन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। श्री राम जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान।
जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान।
जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान।
जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान।
So we're going to sing a Hanuman bhajan at this time, and after this Hanuman bhajan, we'll then have our Bajrang Ban Ashtakam. We're going to have Hanuman Ashtakam, but first we're going to share this very beautiful Hanuman bhajan. hands, yeah? In your food. Very beautiful song. Mangala Murat Ram Duare आने पर तेरे द्वारे हे बजरंग बली हनुमान हे महावीर करो कल्याण. What does this mean? O auspicious one, beloved of Lord Ram, I have come and I have bowed at your door. Hey Bajrang Bali Hanuman, hey Mahavir, O great Mahavir, bestow your blessings and welfare upon all of us. मंगल मूरत राम दुलारे आन पराग तेरे द्वारे हे बजरंग बली हनुमान हे महावीर करो कल्याण हे महावीर करो कल्याण. मंगल मूरत राम दुलारे आन पराग तेरे द्वारे हे बजरंग बली हनुमान हे महावीर करो कल्याण हे महावीर करो कल्याण. तीनों लोग तेरे उजियारा दुखियों का तूने काज सवारा. Beautiful. Your light Hanuman ji, your brilliance illumines our lives and illumines all of the universe. Dukhiyon ka tune kaaj sawara. And when we pray to you, you right the sufferings of those who are in sorrow. You give them hope. You remove their dukh. Hey Jagavandan Kesari Nandan, O son of Keshari, Kashtaharu, Hey Kripanidhan, remove of distress, Kashtaharu as you are. Kripanidhan, ocean of compassion. Bhagwan, relieve our pain also today. Tino lok tera ujiyara, dukhiyon ka sada काज सवारा. तीनों लोक तेरा उजियारा दुखियों के तूने काज सवारा. हे जगवंदन केशरी नंदन हे जगवंदन केशरी नंदन कष्ट हरो हे कृपानिधान कष्ट हरो हे कृपानिधान. मंगल मूरत राम दुलारे बली हनुमान, हे महावीर करो कल्याण, हे महावीर करो कल्याण। तेरे द्वारे जो भी आया, खाली नहीं कोई लौटाया। What a line! Shall you know what this means? तेरे द्वारे जो भी आया, whoever comes to your door, खाली नहीं कोई लौटाया. They never go back empty-handed. If you go and place your troubles at the feet of Bhagwan Hanuman, he promises that you will never go empty-handed. Because what does he do? Durgama Kaj Banavan Hare. You make the impossible possible. Oh Bhagwan, Mangalamay, Dijo Varadan. Varadan means blessing. Dijo is to give. Give us your blessings of auspiciousness and joy. तेरे द्वारे जो भी आया, खाली नहीं कोई लौटाया. तेरे द्वारे जो भी आया, खाली नहीं कोई लौटाया. दुर्गम काज बनावन हारे, दुर्गम काज बनावन हारे. मंगलमय दीजो वरदान, मंगलमय दीजो वरदान. रजे राम द्वारे आनंद रारे, तेरे द्वारे हे बजरंग बली हनुमान. हे महावीर करो कल्याण, हे महावीर करो कल्याण. तेरे सुमिरन हनुमत वीरा, नाशय रोग हरे सब पीरा. तेरे सुमिरन, sumiran means to praise, sing the praises. By remembering you and singing your praises, Hanumanta Veera, Veera is strength. Oh strong Hanuman, oh mighty Hanuman. Nashay rog hare sab pira, all illness, all sorrow are destroyed. Because in your heart, Ram Lakhan Sita Manabasiya, in your heart reside Ram and Sita. So we ask you, Hanuman, Sharana Pareka Kije Dhyan. Give us, Lord, your mercy. Because we have come to your door tonight. We are surrendering at your feet. We are asking you for refuge. Protect us, Lord, from all the things that inhibit our spiritual progress, that prevent us from living and achieving the goals we have set ourselves alive. Bhagwan Hanuman, with this hope in our heart, we have come before you this evening. Tere sumiran Hanumat Veera, नाशय रोग हरे सब पीरा. तेरे सुमिरन हनुमत वीरा, नाशय रोग हरे सब पीरा. राम लखन सीता मन बसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया. शरण परे का लीजे ध्यान, शरण परे का लीजे ध्यान. मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे आन पधारे तेरे द्वारे। हे बजरंग बली हनुमान हे महावीर करो कल्याण। हे महावीर करो कल्याण। हे महावीर करो कल्याण। And now we shall chant our Bajrang Ban, not Bajrang Ban, Hanuman Ashtakam. And this is Bala Samera Vibhakshaliyo, Tinahu Loka Bhayandhyaro. It's another beautiful composition to Hanumanji that we shall share this evening as we praise Hanuman. And in a short while from now we shall also do the Hanuman Bij Mantra also in praise of Hanuman also. Bala Samera Vibhakshaliyo, the Bettina who look up here and Yaru. I'm sure you all know that. What does it mean? As a child, Bala Samera Vibhakshaliyo, this describes Hanuman's life and experiences. As a child, you swallowed the sun, believing it to be a very sweet fruit. This brought darkness to the three worlds and caused great panic everywhere. There was no one to prevent you from doing this until the gods came and pleaded with you to release the sun from its predicament. And then you did that, and you saved the world from destruction. Who, O Hanuman, does not know that your name is the Redeemer of those in distress? And every verse describes something that Hanumanji did. चलियो तब तीन लोक भयो अंधियारो। ताहि सो त्रास भयो जग को यहाँ संकट का सो जात न तारो। देवन आनि करी विनती तब सार दियो रवि कष्ट निवारो। को नहीं जानते हैं जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो। संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो। ये सब से गिरजात प्रभु पंथ निहारो। चौकी महामुनि साप दियो तब चाहिए कौन विचार विचारो। कै द्विज रूप लिवाय महाप्रभु सो तुम दर्शन शोक निवारो। को नहीं जानते हैं जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो। संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो। बाली की त्रास कपीस वसै गिरिजात महाप्रभु पंत निहारो। Sugriv the king of the monkeys, was hiding out in the mountains because of his fear of his brother Bali. And when you, Hanuman, saw the great Lord Ram traveling through the forest, you remembered Narad's curse to Lord Vishnu that he will have monkeys for his companions and helpmates when he next took human form. And then you, Hanuman, created a plan to assist Lord Ram. Disguising yourself as a twice-born Brahmin, you brought him to Sugriv, thus freeing him from the bondage of his fears. Who does not know, Hanuman, that you are the dispeller of all distress? Angariki sangalena gaye siya khojak pesh ben utaro जीवत ना बचियो हम सो जुवे ना सुधिलाए यहाँ पगधारो तेरी थकी तट सिंधु सब तब लाय सिया सुधि प्राण उबारो को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो. You left together with Angad in search of Ma Sita, while Sugriv said, whoever returns without any tidings of Sita shall die at my hands. The search on the ocean shore seemed to be in vain, and all had given up hope for their lives. They were tired, they were desolate. Then you, O great Hanumanji, brought the news of your discovery of Sita and saved the lives of all. Bhagwan Hanuman, who in this world, O Lord, does not know that you are called the destroyer of distress and the one who brings hope? रावण त्रास दई सिया को सब राक्षसी सो कही शोक निवारो ताहि समय हनुमान महाप्रभु जाय महाजननी कर मारो शाहित सिय अशोक सोहागी सुदाई प्रभु मुद्रिक शोक निवारो को नहीं जानते हैं जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो. When Ravan sent the demonesses to worry Sita, and when she became greatly distressed, Hanuman, you set forth immediately to slay those terrible demons. Demons who plague the world at night. And when Sita, having lost all hope, was seeking to give up her life, it was you, Hanuman, who showed her Rama's ring and dispelled her grief. You are the remover of grief. You are the one who brings hope. You are the one who destroys the evil. Who does not know that you are called the destroyer of all our troubles? बानल गो उड़ लक्ष्मण के तब प्राण त्यजे सुत रावण मारो लाई ग्रह वय सुशील समेत तब गिरि द्रोण सुवीर उबारो आन संजीवन हाथ दे तब लक्ष्मण के तुम प्राण उबारो को नहीं जानते हैं जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो. When on the battlefield, Lakshman was almost killed by the son of Ravan. It was you, Hanuman, who located and fetched the physician Sushena. The mighty one, you, Hanuman, tore the Drona mountain and up by the roots and brought it to Sushena so that he could obtain the life-giving Sanjeevani, which was needed to save the life of Lakshman. Who does not know, Lord, that you are called the dispeller of all distress? Ravan yudh agyan kiyo tab नाग के फांत शिरधारो श्री रघुनाथ समेत सब दल मोह भयो यह संगत भारो आनिख ये शत भय हनुमान जुग बंधन काति सुत्रास निवारो को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो. And when Ravan very foolishly directed his forces against Bhagwan Ram, unaware of Ram's great power, he dispatched a missile of the coils of serpents, which entangled the heads of all the troops. Everyone was at a loss for what to do, until you, Hanuman, brought Garud, the king of birds, who severed the coils of the snakes and rescued them from their plight. Who does not know, Lord, that you are the destroyer of all distress? Bandhu sameta जपे अहिरावन ले रघुनाथ पताल सिधारो देव ही पूजी भली विधि सो बलि देव सबे मिली मंत्र विचारो जाई सहानि भयो तब ही अहि रावण से समेत उबारो को नहीं जानती है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो काज किए बर देवन के तुम फिर महाप्रभु देख विचारो कौन सुजगत मोर गरीब को जो तुमसे नहीं जात दारो बेगी हरो हनुमान महाप्रभु जो कछु संकट होई हमारो को नहीं जानत है जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो. ओ हनुमान, काज किए बर देवन के तुम वीर महाप्रभु देखी विचारो. O powerful one, you perform whatever difficult tasks the devas request of you. What is there, Hanuman, that you cannot do to relieve the sufferings of your sorrowful devotees? O mighty one, please protect us always from whatever calamity might befall us in life. We do not know, O Lord, who does not know, Lord, that you are renowned as the one who removes all sufferings. लाल देहि लालील से अरुधरि लाल गोरे वज्र देह डालन डरव जय 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 कपिसूर सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की And tonight we shall be chanting 21 times the Hanuman Bij Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Hanumate Shri Ramadutaya Namaha, which means I bow in front the Murti of Hanuman, who is the greatest servant and messenger of Lord Sri Ram. And this Bij Mantra, or what you call a seed mantra, is a very powerful mantra to please Hanumanji. It is said that when this mantra is chanted, it enhances our concentration and it fills us with positive energy. It is said that this mantra also helps us to fight the harmful effects of any grah that we might have, especially grah related to Shani. The Bij mantra also helps us to attain physical strength, power and stamina. Also, my grandfather used to tell us that this Bij mantra, if you are afraid of, have any fear of ghosts or any individual, that this Bij mantra helps you to dispel those fears and ward off sicknesses, maladies as they call them, such as fever and even epilepsy. So pleasing Hanumanji by reciting this Bij mantra will bless us with the qualities of courage and confidence. So let us chant this Bij mantra 21 times, and I'll ask Sally to come first tonight. Om Aim Hrim Hanumate Shri Ramadutaya Namaha. 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 I got so caught up in it that I forgot to look at you, concentrating on it. So we shall now share another bhajan, and after this bhajan we're going to have a discourse, and then finally we'll have Havan, and then we will close. So this bhajan that we are about to sing is a very popular bhajan, one that everybody knows, so we'll all be able to sing this bhajan together this evening. हनुमान महाप्रभु जो कछु संकट होए हमारो, कौन सो संकट मोर गरीब को, जो तुमसे नहीं जाते है तारो। महावीर प्रभु हम दुखियन के, महावीर प्रभु हम दुखियन के, तुम हो गरीब निवाज हनुमत, तुम हो गरीब निवाज हनुमत। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो महाराज। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो महाराज। राम लखन वे तुम पर सदा रहे हर्षाए, राम लखन वे तुम पर सदा रहे हर्षाए। हृदय चीर से राम सिया का, हृदय चीर के राम सिया का, दर्शन दिया कराए हनुमत, दर्शन दिया कराए। जो कर जोर रज हनुमंता, जो कर जोर रज हनुमंता, कहियो प्रभु से आज हनुमत, कहियो प्रभु से आज हनुमत। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो महाराज। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो महाराज। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। So before we do our Havan this evening, there's a discourse that I'd like to share with you this evening. And it is a little incident, but with a very great meaning, that occurs in the Ramayana of Valmiki, I believe it is. Yes, I believe it's Valmiki's Ramayana it occurs in. And it's the story of Lord Rama and the service of a squirrel. A squirrel. And it is a story, I don't know if you have heard this story before, it's a story of love, of humility, and of the recognition of God, by God, of the smallest efforts of an individual. This is what this is about. Very interesting. A story of love, a story of humility, and divine recognition. Perhaps divine recognition more than anything else. So, after the abduction of Sita, Bhagwan Sri Ram and his brother, Lakshman, reached what was called the southern shore, accompanied by the vast army of Sugriv, all the monkey warriors, and what have you. And they were going there, of course, to rescue Sita. But in front of them, when they reached the southern shore of India, in front of them there was this big ocean, the big ocean, mighty ocean, endless water separating them from Lanka, where Ravan held Sita captive. Now we know that the length of that distance between the southern shore and Lanka is 30 kilometers. And that was recently discovered because a NASA satellite actually picked up this bridge that was built from the southern shore of India to Lanka. And when they tested the stones, they realized that this was not a natural formation, but a man-made formation. So, you know, if people think that Ramayana is just a story, they're wrong. They're wrong. It's not just a story. This is now proven scientifically that this bridge between southern shore of Lanka and southern shore of India and Lanka exists, and they've called it the Adams Bridge. They have named it Adams Bridge. So, Bhagwan Sri Ram, he stood on the sands there, he gazing at the waves that thundered and withdrew, you know, came on the shore and went back and so on, as if it was mocking him and mocking the urgency with which he had to cross this sea. So the monkeys gathered around him, of course, restless and eager. And that is, of course, if you know the storyline, when he called on Jamavant and Jamavant called on Nal and Neel, and Nal and Neel said, told them to build a bridge and told them, just keep the name of Ram in your lips and everything will come right. And on every stone they began to write the name of Ram, and instead of the stones sinking, the stones floated, and they were able to build the bridge. So the Lord commanded them, and the Lord, when he spoke, you know, it wasn't no harsh command. He spoke very quiet, but with a resolution to get this problem solved. So he said, my brothers, look how he addresses them, not my servants, you know, my brothers. The sea will not part by us just standing here and waiting. We must build a setu. We must build a bridge. What kind of bridge? A bridge of dharma, a bridge of courage, so that we may cross over and rescue Sita. When Bhagwan Sri Ram said that, all the monkeys roared with joy and devotion. And led by the mighty Nal and Neel, they began their sacred task. Now if you read the Tulsidas Ramayana, there are more details about, you know, the god of the ocean giving problems also, and then yielding to Bhagwan Sri Ram and what have you. One day we'll read the entire katha, as it were. But led by the mighty Nal and Neel, they began their secret task. Mountains were uprooted, great boulders were carried on their shoulders, and with the cries of Jai Shri Ram, they hurled them into the sea. And it said, again I tell you, the rocks floated by the grace of Ram's name written upon them. For it is said, where his name abides, even the heaviest burden finds buoyancy. It becomes light. But you know, for Ram's name to make all our burdens light, we have to have faith in Rama's name. We have to have faith in Rama's name. We really have to have the belief that by chanting the name of Ram, something will happen. If you don't have that faith, it's not going to happen, you know. You have to have faith. You have to have belief. If you don't have Shraddha, it's not going to happen. You know, you cannot be a fair weather devotee. That when things are good, you're praising God. Sorry, you forget God. And when things are bad, you're calling God name. You're calling God name. You ever think about how much man is dependent upon? When something happens in your life, what is the first name you call? Oh God. You see? Unconsciously, you call, oh God. Just think about that one little incident that happens in your life all the time. You realize how much you depend on God. And how much faith you have unconsciously in God without realizing it, that you have this faith in God. Because at that point in time when something happens, you realize that man cannot help you really. That if man is able to help you, it's only because of the intervention of God that God sends a man or a person to help you. So our burdens of life become light when we can have faith in the name of Sri Ram. So amidst all of this thunderous activity that was taking place, a very small creature scurried near the shore, ran up to the shore. It was a tiny squirrel with bright eyes and a soft brown coat. And it watched, it stood there, and looked at the big monkeys lifting mountains and rocks and thought to itself, they are all serving my Lord with such strength. I am small. I wonder if I can do something. But even as he said, I wonder if I can do something, he says, I must do something. I must do something. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna makes the point, action is greater than inaction. You could have the biggest problem. You just cannot sit down and say, God help me with this problem. You have to do something. And then God intervenes. So he said, look at them. They are all serving the Lord with such strength. I am small, but I must do something. So the squirrel, he ran to the edge of the waves, rolled his little body in the wet sand. Because he can't pick up anything. So he rolled, and put the sand on his body. And then he went on top of the rocks that they were putting and began to shake off the sand between the crevices, in the crevices of the rocks, again and again. And he was doing this tirelessly, joyfully. So at first no one noticed. And then a few monkeys, seeing it running around like this, burst into laughter. They said, look brothers, this little squirrel thinks that it is building the bridge. Careful, small one, they said. A wave might carry you off before you carry a single grain of sand. And so they teased it. Some even waving their hands to shoo it away, Go away from here. But the squirrel folded its paws, eyes moist. He put his paws together like in prayer and said very gently, I have no strength like you. Yet this is my Lord's work, and I too belong to him. Let me do my part, however small. And just then, Bhagwan Sri Ram, walking among all of the monkeys, noticed the commotion that was going on and saw the squirrel with its fur wet, its back streaked with sand, running with such determination and love, trying to deposit sand among the crevices. So he knelt down and cupped the tiny creature in his divine hands. He picked it up and asked softly, listen, little one, what are you doing? And the squirrel was surprised, Ram has picked him up. He trembled, but he answered with devotion, Prabhuji, I cannot lift stones, I cannot lift mountains, but the spaces between these stones, they must be filled, else the bridge may weaken. So I bring what I can, grains of sand, for your great work. And the monkeys fell silent. Even the ocean, it is said, seemed to pause, and Ram smiled. He smiled radiant with compassion, he smiled radiant with wonder. And it was that point that Ram stroked the back of the squirrel lovingly and said, "My dear devotee," call him a devotee, "you have done more than all the others today. For strength moves stones, but love moves me. Strength moves stones, but love moves me." And it said as his fingers brushed the back of the squirrel, 3 golden lines appeared upon it, the sacred mark of Ram's blessings. And even today you will see the squirrels in India with these 3 marks on their back. And then Ram turned to the monkeys and them. They had all stopped working at that point because they were looking at what Ram was doing, stroking the back. And Ram said to them, he says, "Do not measure worth by size or strength. Don't measure it by that. Don't measure a person's worth by their size or their strength or what they have or their possessions. In my service, the heart is what counts. A single grain offered to me with love outweighs mountains lifted with pride." Reminiscent of Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam Yome Bhaktya Prachati Taraham Bhakti Uparatam Ashrami Pratatmanaha. Whoever offers to me a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water with devotion, with love in their hearts, I accept that offering. So the monkeys bowed their heads. They were humbled. And from that day it said they worked together, mighty or small, each offering their best. And of course, as you know, the bridge rose strong, stretching over the sea, and soon Ram crossed over to Lanka, victory in his heart and compassion in his eyes. It is said today that the Indian squirrel bears the 3 stripes on its back, the touch of Rama's fingers. And you see them, you see when you see them running all about, a divine remembrance of seva, of service, those 3 marks. And every time the squirrel runs among the trees, it is said to be repeating, "Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram." And so this humble squirrel became immortal in the story of Ram as a symbol of selfless service, humility, and divine grace. And there are 5 things which this story teaches us. 1, bhakti. God values love, not magnitude. Even the smallest act done with sincerity reaches God. The smallest act. Secondly, karma. Every soul can serve in its own way. Every soul, everyone can serve in its own way. Don't try to match the service of another person. Do what you can. Do what you can. Do your best without boastfulness, and particularly without comparison to what others are doing. And that is true karma yoga. Karma yoga means to renounce the results of your actions and to concentrate on doing the act. That is karma yoga. Yoga means renunciation, renouncing the result. You have no control over the results. All you have control over is the action that you perform. God alone knows what the results are, because those results, while you might be doing something very good, you may not get the results you want. You know why? Because you have karmas that were bad in another life, and they are coming and they are affecting your success in this life. This is why in heat and cold, in pain and pleasure, our Hindu scriptures teach us, be in a state of equanimity. Be the Sanatana Sarthi, the eternal witness of everything that is changing in front of you, understanding that you are the author, you are the cause of all of this. But don't get immersed in it, involved in it. Be the looker on. Equality is another thing that this teaches. In Rama's eyes, no one is big, no one is small. The squirrel's effort is equivalent here to Hanuman's heroism. They are equal in devotion. Ram considers that squirrel's little effort as great as Hanuman's efforts. And then it also teaches us humility. Ego, which is boastfulness, divides, but humility unites. If you really want to see people respect you, practice humility and see what happens. You will see, if today you are a person and you think people don't love you, from tomorrow morning start to practice humility. Say something good to people. You know, instead of criticize them, say something good. Compliment them. Don't look for them to compliment. You begin complimenting them. Start to see the good in them and see what happens to their responses to you. Your whole life will change. You know why? Not because you are changing it, but because you have created better responses to you. And then you feel better about yourself. The act of being humble and respectful to others and saying good things about others cleanses us. That is devotion. That is bhakti in practice. And finally, the concept of grace of God. When love is pure, look at what Ram did. When love is pure, God bends down himself as Ram did to bless and uplift his devotee. Not so? God bent down. So, no power, no riches, only love is mine. I am Rama's servant, that alone defines me. No pride, no ego, only service is my breath. I am Rama's servant, in that lies my depth. Here's a beautiful verse. I just want to sing one line. ये कथा भक्त भगवान की, ये कथा भक्त भगवान की, ना शक्ति ना संपत्ति बस प्रेम ही साथ है. ना शक्ति ना संपत्ति, no power, no riches, बस प्रेम ही साथ है. साथ is friend, only love is my friend. ना शक्ति ना संपत्ति बस प्रेम ही साथ है. मैं तो बस रामदास, यही मेरी पहचान है. मैं तो बस रामदास, रामदास, I am the servant of you. ये मेरी पहचान है. That is my character. Only that defines me. ना मन ना अभिमान, सिर्फ सेवा का प्राण है. No pride, no ego, only service is my breath. मैं तो बस रामदास, यही मेरी पहचान है. This is one verse that defines this katha, and I hope that you have enjoyed it very much. Very simple katha, but very deep in its meaning. So now we will have our havan before we close this evening, and we'll be offering ghee into the fire. But let us begin with these prayers. Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Sri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Whoever wants to go on, Sari, you want to go? Chris? Mommy? So we shall sprinkle some water around the fire. before we start. Om Gange cha Yamuna chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jale Asmin Sanidhim Kuru. Om Apavitra Pavitro va Sarva Statanam Gatopi va Yasmare Pundarikaksham Sabhaya Bhayantarah Suchihi. Om Keshavaya Namaha Raghavaya Namaha Om Narayanaya Namaha. Let us begin to make the offerings. Om Sri Agni Devata Namaha Swaha. Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha Swaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Swaha. Om Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Namah Shivaya Swaha. Om Sri Hanumate Namaha Swaha. Om Sri Krishnaya Namaha Swaha. Om Sri Ramaya Namaha Swaha. Om Sri Durgaye Namaha Swaha. Om Sri Lakshmiyaye Namaha Swaha. Om Sri Saraswatye Namaha Swaha. Om Suraje Navagraha Devataya Bhyam Namaha Swaha. Om Sarvebhyo Devebhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Sarvebhyo Devibhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnata Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Swaha. Let's put the water now around the fire 3 times. Om Sarva Papa Haram Divyam Gangeyam Nirmalam Jalam Achmanyam Maya Dattam Grihana Parameshwaraha. Hari Om. So now we shall have our final arati for the evening, and of course this evening, as usual on Tuesdays, we shall sing Hanumanji's arati, and this will bring us to the close of our satsang for this evening. I want to thank each and every one for their presence here this evening, and to wish each and every one of you all the best as we perform arati. रघुनाथ कला की दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ कला की आरती की जय हनुमान लला 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 की। जाके बल से गिरभर कापे रोग दोष जाके निकट धापे अंजनी पुत्र महाबलदाई संतन के प्रभु सदा सहाय आरती की जय हनुमान लला की आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। लक्ष्मण मूर्छित परे सुखाए आदि संजीवन प्राण उबारे बैठी पताल तोर जम खाए अहि रावण की बुझा उछारे बाए भुजा असुर दल मारे नाही भुजा संत जन तारे आरती की जय हनुमान लला की आरती की जय हनुमान लला की सुर नर मुनि आरती उतारे जय 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 हनुमान सारे कंचन ताल कपूर लोचाई आरती करत अंजना माई जो हनुमान जी की आरती गावे रति वैकुंठ परम पर पावे आरती की जय हनुमान लला की आरती की जय हनुमान लला की आरती की जय हनुमान लला की आरती की जय हनुमान लला त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्तिः 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 श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम् श्यावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की ओम जय जय श्री राम Thank you all for being with us this evening for our Ram Kripa Satsang, our virtual satsang that emanates from the Kuladevalai Pitri Tirtha Shrine. God bless each and every one of you.